Hi guys, it's Grayson here. So for those that don't know me, I'm a stock investor and I've experience working with an investment firm. So this video is all about how to invest in stocks or how do you pick a stocks. Because I know a lot of people out there, they are ready to invest, they have their money ready, they read a lot of books, they watch a lot of educational video, but still they don't know how exactly to invest. So today I'm gonna tell you how I personally select the stocks myself and I hope it will help you. So let's get to it. So the first thing when you invest in the stocks, the most important thing is you have to have the right business model. Because when you invest in the stocks, actually you are buying a part of the business and you're a part of the ownership yourself. So as a shareholder, you have to make sure the business model is not outdated, the business model is on the right trend, and the business model they have an economy mode. It means the business or the product is hard to replace by other competitors or the other part. And quick example for economy mode is when we think of fast food restaurant, we think of McDonald's. When we think of coffee, we think of Starbucks. And when we think of luxury car, we think of BMW or Mercedes. And that is their economy mode. It's the first thing that consumer will think when they think of the product category. So the second thing when you invest in the stocks is you have to make sure the company you're about to buy their shares, they are profitable. Because like I said earlier, when you buy a shares, you're buying a part ownership of the business itself. So naturally, you will want your business to be profiting instead of having losses, right? So it's very important that you check the track record of the company profitability before you buy their shares. A very good way to check their earning is looking the company statement of profit and loss, or with today's technology help, you can get the statement of profit and losses in a more simple way through website like Yahoo Finance or Bloomberg's. Price is what you pay and value is what you get. So the third important thing when we invest in the stocks is we only invest in the undervalued stocks. We never ever touch or invest the overvalued stocks. The very famous way to measure the stocks, is it overvalued or is it undervalued, is by using PE ratio, price per earning ratio, and using price per book ratio, price per sales ratio, or even EPS. I have uploaded a video about the ratios in the past video, link in the description. So I understand this topic is very complicated and chances of you don't understand, especially the beginners not understand this, is very high. So do drop the comment in the below and let me know you want to know more about this, and I'll post a video about how to measure undervalued stocks. As you know, cash flow in investing is very important. So as an investor, it's important for us to find out the dividend yield of the company itself too. Dividend yield is the amount of money the company are willing to pay out to the investor every year in the form of dividend. So for example, the ABC company are paying 8% dividend every year. So by using the rules of 72, we take 72 divide by 8, so we'll get a answer of 9. So it means when the ABC company are paying 8% of dividend every year, we need 9 years of time to regain the amount of the capital we invested in the company. So the higher dividend yield, the higher chances or the shorter time you will need to gain back your invested capital and have a net profit of what you're investing. Again, I know this is very complicated, so do let me know in the comment section if you want to know more about this, and I'll definitely explain more in the next video or in the comment section. We don't time the market, instead we give time to the market. The fifth important thing when it comes to stocks picking is to invest in the long term. And like Albert Einstein once said, the rules of compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it will earn it, and those who don't understand it will pay for it. The average S&P 500 have a annually 8% gains, so don't you worry about the short-term fluctuations, the trade wars, any nations having any conflicts, etc. Because those things will only happen in the short term and won't affect your long-term investment strategy. So it's very important for you to stay disciplined and stay invested always. So the Mr. Market will definitely reward you very well if you have enough patience, if you have enough knowledge, and you give enough time and enough capital to the market itself to work for you. So again, to recoup the 5 things when it comes to stocks picking is: first, we have to have the right business model. Second thing is we have to make sure it's profitable. And the third thing, we have to make sure it's undervalued. And the fourth thing, we have to make sure they have the enough cash flow, which they pay you enough dividend. And the fifth thing is we have to stay with our own investment strategy, which is invest in the long term. And of course, when it comes to stocks picking, the easiest way is to learn from the expert. And how can we learn from the expert? The simplest way is by read the books they wrote. So these are the 3 books that have helped me the most when it comes to stock investing: The Intelligent Investor, The Snowball, and A Random Walk Down Wall Street. By reading, you not only can increase your knowledge, and also you can become a more disciplined investor, and of course a more knowledge-wise and a more educated investor. And it will definitely help you to make a wiser, better, and smarter investment decision. So I hope this video has helped you in terms of making a better investment decisions, especially if you are looking for how to pick a stocks. I hope this video has provided you enough information of value. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe my channel for more content like this. If you have any more questions about stocks picking, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll definitely help you out. So as always, have a good day and happy investing.